Alrighty. Well, we're back with Nona's honk dance video. Oh, please, Lord, give me strength. Give me strength, please. I just ask you to bestow upon me the slightest amount of strength. Please, I beg of thee. Please. All right, because I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I'm still reeling over the music video. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. But all right, you know what to do. If you haven't watched this video for yourself, go watch it for yourself. Go love it for yourself. Go enjoy it for yourself. And if you have time, come back and watch it with me. But most importantly, go show Nona all the love, nothing but love, because they deserve it 100%, okay? Someone told me there was an interview out that is hilarious. We're definitely going to be checking that out. But yeah, let's go and jump right into the video. Come along for the ride. I just read The Handsome from Bus. Oh my, we're already in a lot of trouble. They're so energized. They're so energized. We're in so much trouble. We're so energized. Oh, damn.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, post it. Buckle up out of here.
God, the choreo's so good. The choreo's so good. The choreo is so good. Oh my gosh, this is why I love dance videos. This is why I love dance videos, because you get a little bit of a taste of choreo during the MV, right? And then you get the whole full scale of choreo for these dance videos, and the choreo is so damn good for honk. Okay, Shaz. So. Get on the uncut. Beep beep. Ooh, Shaz, chill. Oh, she did that shit so smooth too. Shaz did that so smooth. Girl, Shaz, chill. Yeah, I'm caught. Round and round. I love this song. Instant played. My favorite part of the song. That's my favorite part of the song. N-O-N-A. On your license plate. Got it on my own. All day, all night, all day. God, that's so good. Esther, I wish we would have gotten a little bit more. Esther, I need a lot more of that. God, that is so good. Oh, Esther with this part is fucking phenomenal. Oh. I can with them. Beyond foot. Get on the uncut. I'm waiting for Kristen to do the front flip kick somersault. Yep, there we go, right there. That, I don't know what that's called, but damn it. Look at that. Why we make this look so easy? Listen, Nona, you out here giving us false sense of securities, okay? Because you got people out here thinking that they're gonna be able to do some of this stuff, and we're gonna end up busting our asses, okay? We're gonna end up like Jazz. I'm blowing the knee out. I'm blowing, I would say 2 knees, but I only got 1 leg. But I'm blowing the knee out, and my fake leg is being broke. All right, it's being broke, okay? And then you got Christy out here. I don't know what that is. Yo, it's so damn cool. Like so easy too, man. I love how she comes out of that and puts it in, Christy puts it in the gear. choreo is just so fun. And that's what I love about it. It's just so fun. I love this. I love it. Yes. It's right back in the book. Where the hell did this guy come from? I was so caught up here, I didn't even know that. Yo, we over here having a whole ass full blown conversation. I love it. Yeah. I love it. Hold on, quick, like in a hurry. The whole time I didn't even notice these two over here talking, having a full conversation, bobbing to the music and stuff. Hey. Oh, honk is so good. It's so much fun. I love it. Oh, let me get out of the way. There you go on the butt. That, I'm telling you, honk is such a good song. It's such a good music video. It is so much fun to just listen to dance. Like I like, because there's, it doesn't, it's something that I think that if I actually got up and tried, I could do some of the choreo from honk, and I could be enjoying myself. And and that's what matters. That's what matters, is having fun when a song comes on. I mean, I'm not gonna be doing no front kick flip things that Christy was doing. Okay, I'm definitely not sliding around on my knee like Shaz, but the choreo is just fun. It's enjoyable. It's energetic. The song is so catchy. Esther's part gets me every time. Oh God, it's just, Esther sounds so gorgeous right there. It's just always Esther hitting us with those vocals, and I love it. All right, that's gonna be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Again, remember to like, comment, subscribe, but most importantly, make sure you go show Nona all the love, nothing but love, because they deserve it 100%. Y'all take it easy. I love you. Peace.